everyone, welcome back. So sorry I haven't made a review in ages. It's just that, yeah, lockdown put me in a bit of a bad place, so I wasn't in the mood to make a review or a video. But I'm okay now, I'm fine. Anyway, GoPlay Cosmetics really kindly sent me their lips kit ages ago, and so many of you were interested in the review when I posted it on Instagram. And I know I should make this review earlier, but yeah, sorry, my bad. I really should have posted this earlier, but better late than never, right? Anyway, what is this lips kit? It's really awesome. Basically, it's a kit to create any lipstick color you want really easily. When you buy this lips kit, you get the lips kit machine, 5 color refills, a bottle of jojoba oil, which is what they call the moisture drops. It basically converts all the lipsticks from matte to glossy, 5 jars, and of course instructions and a color chart for you to get some recipes for colors you may like. To use it, it's so freaking simple and so fun. First, you grab one of the colors and you just click it until the lipstick comes out. Just be patient with this because I know I was really impatient. I clicked it really hard and fast and ended up wasting a lot of color. Also, yes, prepare some tissues so you're not splashing color everywhere. And after the color has started out, you can put all these tubes into the slots in your lips kit machine and you're good to go. When you want to create your color, you can basically take the jar that comes with the GoPlay Cosmetics kit, screw it at the bottom of this machine, and then just click out all the colors you want. Remove the jar and then mix it around. And of course, if the color isn't perfect, you can always add in more color until you get the right shade. Super simple. And if you're greedy like me and you want even more shades, not just 5, you can always buy your own little jars. I actually bought 100 of these little jars just so I can make even more lipstick shades. Yeah, it's really awesome. And if you like, you can even add in your own mica or eyeshadow into these lipstick colors and turn the lipstick metallic. Let me show you a video of one of the metallic lip shades I made. I know my skin is really gross. All the mask wearing has broken me out, but wearing a mask can save lives, so wear it. So yeah, this lipstick kit is really fun. It's like my favorite toy out there. So formula-wise, how is it? As you all know, even if I'm sponsored, I always give my honest opinions for reviews. So this is where GoPlay Cosmetics may not be so happy with me. So formula-wise, I don't think they're the best. When I apply it, they do tend to streak. And even if you use the official GoPlay Cosmetic jar, after a while they do dry up. So yeah, even when they're dried up, they do streak as well. So application wise, they're not the simplest to apply. Also, the lip brush, yes, the GoPlay Cosmetic kit comes with its own lip brush. I thought the packaging is really innovative and cool, but the lip brush isn't the best. So I will use it because it is convenient, but personally for me, I wish they have a wand instead of brush because applying liquid matte lipsticks with a brush is a bit of a pain and gets really messy. And if you're using a darker color, any mistake really shows up. So I wish they used a wand instead, but that's a personal opinion. And longevity wise, they're not really long lasting. For example, if you're drinking a cup of coffee, or in my case, matcha latte, they don't really transfer to the cup. So yeah, you can drink in peace. But when I'm kissing my baby or my husband, they do transfer. And when I'm eating, here's a very oily instant noodles. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm just finding an excuse to eat. And let me drink some of the soup barbarian style. It just occurred to me I should have picked a darker lipstick so you can see the effect. But as you can see, the middle's pretty much gone, and that's just a few slurps. So yeah, I've tried it multiple times during meals. They do not last an entire meal, unfortunately. So they're not the most long-lasting. So obviously, in times of COVID, important question, are they mask-proof? No, they're not going to survive your mask. You'll definitely have to reapply it. So yeah, formula-wise, they're not the best. And these lips kit are kind of expensive. They're $98. And sure, they say $98, but you're getting 5 ml of each color, 25 ml each. So that's like getting 5 lipsticks, because lipsticks on average are 5 ml of color. So I get it, like it becomes nearly $20 per shade, which is not that crazy for a lipstick. But, you know, if you consider the formula is not the best, it does get expensive. And also, you don't really need to use a lot of black because it's so pigmented. I think I can make 100 colors and still not be done with the black. And for people who like more normal shades, I'm sure you won't be using much of the yellow or the blue either. So yeah, you end up running out of the colors you use the most really quickly. And as a result, for most people, instead of getting 5 full-size lipstick, you'll probably just get like maybe 3 or 4. So it does become extremely expensive. And each refill are $16 each. Sure, you can buy a set that's cheaper, but of course, again, the black will last me forever. So why would I want to buy that refill shade? It's cheaper for me to buy individual refills. And I go through the whites so quickly because I like doing pastels. So yeah, it is a bit expensive. But would I buy the refill? And will I buy it again even if it's not gifted to me? I'm gonna sound really spoiled, but yes, because I'm a huge makeup lover, and this shade, I can't find it anywhere. It's really hard. And for those of you who are looking for the perfect nude, which can be really difficult if you're a woman of color, especially with darker skin tone, because if you notice, nude is often a shade of pale beige and pink. That's not nude for a lot of women of color. Colorism at work. So if you're a woman of color and you haven't been able to find your perfect nude and you want to customize it, this is great. If you're like me, you're a makeup lover and you like all sorts of wonderful weird shades, this is also great. That's why I really like this LIPSKIT. And the way I see it is, I'm buying an expensive toy, I guess. I mean, I've spent this much on jigsaw puzzles before, and you know, there's something I make and destroy. So yeah, the way I see it is like, it's like an expensive toy that brings me a lot of joy. So why not? You know, have you seen those little kitty lip gloss making kits? They're like 30-40 bucks for subpar lip glosses that doesn't even come with fun colors. So if I will spend that much on my child just to make her happy with the experience of making her own lip gloss, why wouldn't I do it for me? So yeah, I will be repurchasing more of the white refills and maybe the blue and yellow, because I realize I've been making a lot of teal colors. So yeah, I really do like this LIPSKIT, and I know it's spoiled of me to say I still will spend this much money. It is very spoiled of me, but you know what? COVID has been really stressful. Why can't I just spend on myself and bring myself joy? Yeah. This is a time where, you know, you only live once. Go enjoy yourself. Have fun. So that's it for my review. Thank you so much for watching the entire thing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, okay? See you. Bye.